Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make different pages, different color in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make different colors in different pages. Firstly, go to the first page. Then select the frame text tool and draw the frame text tool over the pages. Then you can change the color. Select the text frame option and we can see here the fill color. You can change this color. Now I close this pane and click and drag this layer on down. Then lock the layer. Then select the move tool and go to the second page. Then again select the text frame option and draw a text frame over the page. Then enable the text frame option and select this fill color and change the fill color. Then close this panel and again move and drag down to this layer and lock this layer. Then select the move tool and check these two pages and we can see we make different colors in different pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.